Inspiring conversation is lovely. With the second session that we had, it's really learning curve for all of us, like businessmen who are here and those aspiring to do business. And it's a great platform, I think, for the young and the old. And I just love it. And cheers to Rajesh for doing such a wonderful job on this, and all the best, basically. The young entrepreneurs today, they learn from others. They learn from looking at what other people do. I don't think we really have really good tips for them, but I think the young entrepreneurs will do much better than what we are doing. I think they will learn from all these type of conversations that are there, and they'll take them to greater heights. I think so.
In fact, it was very unfortunate for me to miss out on the first session, but this is amazing thing. You get to learn so many things from the person who's already successful. So it's not just it's a theoretical lecture of practical knowledge. Also, you get to meet some like-minded people who are already inspired, and they exchange a lot of thoughts with you, which helps you get ahead in the business as well as life itself. So it is superb. So 3 cheers for Rajesh.
Hello, this is the first time I've attended a session of Inspiring Conversations, and it was truly inspirational and motivating. Lovely setup, everything really nice, and I'll make sure I'll come here every time. Yeah. Lot of tips in every way. Confidence, to be confident, to develop my communication skills, to always encourage, support everybody, be responsible. I think these are the few things I really learned today.
I think there is no better platform than platforms like this. An Inspiring Conversation is exactly meant to motivate entrepreneurs, young and old. But most important is that when you expose young entrepreneurs to such a platform, they get an opportunity of a lifetime to meet people like we met Dr. Kamath today. People would pay millions of dollars to listen to his words of wisdom. And something like a young entrepreneur who gets this kind of knowledge very early in life, it is only going to further his goal, fuel his motivation and help him to do much better.
पिछले 1 साल से मैं लगभग 60 से 65 अलग अलग CEOs से मिल चुका हूँ और उनसे कई सारी चीज़ें जो है सीखने को मिली है। कुछ उसी प्रकार का प्रयास आज यहाँ पर देखने को मिला, और जिस प्रकार से पूरे प्रोग्राम को ऑर्गेनाइज़ किया गया था, एक बहुत ही बढ़िया माहौल में कई सारी चीज़ें जो एक अच्छे एंटरप्रेन्योर से सीखने मिलती है, वो सीखने का मौका मिला। हर बार जब भी ये प्रोग्राम होगा, मैं ज़रूर चाहूँगा कि इस प्रोग्राम के साथ जुड़ूँ।
In fact, young entrepreneurs look at such platforms to gain knowledge, which is very important. And without knowledge, I'm sure you know what happens. So the primary focus, and this is a good platform, and having excellent speakers like Mr. Vittal Kamath, this really creates a platform, and also showing how the market is so sensitive. People fall down and again rise up. So it's a good session, but unfortunately we don't see many of them here.
Okay, I think Inspiring Conversation really inspires. Very, very apt name that is given to this forum, and look forward to many more such inspiring conversations coming. The first one was great. This one is even better. So it's something that we will really look forward to for a long time. You should just go for it. If you have an idea and you want to do something, don't think too much. You start off and things will fall in place because you have a lot of people to help you. There are a lot of channels, older entrepreneurs, we're all there to pay it forward. So anytime you can come and come and attend forums such as this to get inspired.
Inspiring conversation, there are 2 meanings to it. One is inspiring as an adjective, something that is inspiring. And the second is something that inspires conversation. So there are 2 meanings to it, and it's going great guns. It's just a second episode, and we'll see hundreds of them in the years to come. Thank you. I think just jump into it. Whatever happens will be good for you.
First of all, I'm very happy to attend this. That's number 1. Number 2, I think my takeaway is very simple. I would like to apply whatever I have listened today. So there are 2-3 major takeaways. Number 1, standardization. Number 2, maybe you grow to whatever level, but the humbleness, politeness. And number 3 is the kind of energy which was flowing from him. So from tomorrow onwards, whenever I will feel down, I will feel little bit low, I will think of today and I will come back to you.
It's a great experience. It's unbelievable. I mean, it's something which you desire and you miss in life if you don't have it. I mean, I think I can pay for this. It's like I can have a paid preview for this. It's too good. I think he was very fearless. That's what I liked about him. He was very open, very fearless. He never there was no difference between his words and his thought. His thought and his words were the same. That's what I got inspired.
You know, this is the second one, but when Rajesh wanted to start it, we had an initial discussion, and it is something which was, as it is Rajesh, when he presents anything, it's really inspiring. So it's much better than even how I thought, something like this. And today's session was really wonderful. To get Mr. Kamath like this, when he sings the songs and he talks about how he created it, I think is really wonderful feeling. And you all, the entire team, they have done a great job. Thank you so much. God bless you.
It was very excellent evening today, and we had a very good guest. Very, what you can say, he has explained things in different ways, means, and we appreciate that Rajesh has selected the right people to make our evening good. As Mr. Kamath also explained, that you have to have courage to fight back and deal with the situation and take your own ways.
Today was a fantastic evening. I mean, listening to Mr. Kamath is always a pleasure. I've heard him before, but today I saw a different side of him. He also sang a song for us, which was very, very entertaining. The kind of stories he shared was very inspiring. I've taken a lot of notes, and I'm going to follow them again. And a big thank to Rajesh to organize all these things. Looking forward to the next inspiring conversations. My all-time favorites is, again, Agnolo Rajesh Dhare, because the kind of energy he has. Vittal Kamath I've heard so many times, and many people, I like Devdutt Patnaik, his style of speaking is very, very nice. But today I had a fantastic time. I mean, time just flew when listening to Mr. Kamath. Very, very inspiring, and once again, thank you for Rajesh.
Actually, I was thinking today not to come. But I think those who have not come today, they have missed a lot. On that last session was also very good. Today was also excellent. Actually, I am a vice chairman of Christian Chamber of Commerce and Industry, wherein we are we are guiding young entrepreneurs and all that. But now, for next 2-3 years, according to me, even though it is very great to tell that no, one should become entrepreneur, you should not become an employee, you should be an employer, you should employ, is all very nice to tell. But considering the present today's situation of our country, I think it is more, that not only in terms of money or in terms of name, I think whoever has got a talent, they can work in the big companies and they can make a more name, because otherwise here, considering our India's, just like that you heard that 126 licenses are required. So similarly, to have one, hair cutting salon also, India, we require 25 licenses. So it is very difficult for anyone to become an entrepreneur now. But at the same time, if at all the same, if Dhirubhai Ambani had thought, it is very difficult, he also would not have prospered. So I am not telling that, but days are tough.
This is a place of opportunities. Our country has a lot of potential. Times, as the time evolves, there is a lot thing happened in this country. What is happened is very small. Yet to come, a big revolution is to come, and there is a scope for each one to grow. So, dedicated, intelligent, hard work is always there to pay.
Well, this is a wonderful session, very much inspiring, and to share experience is one of the best things in anybody's life.
It's a very unique effort, and a lot of learning happens here because people who come here are already successful in life, and that's the real life learning. Well, whatever we do, it should be done with sincerity and consistency. That's what can lead to success in life on a continual basis.
I will take home his energy, his positive attitude, and I would like to quote a song for him. तदबीर से बिगड़ी हुई तकदीर बना ले, अपने पे भरोसा है तो ये दाव लगा ले. So I think I learned this from him, and this I'm going to keep with me forever. And of course, the song which he recited for us, हम होंगे कामयाब हर दिन. So very, very happy. Do what your heart says. Take blessings from your parents. And once you have a balance between your heart and mind, just go for it.
As the name says, inspiring conversation. Each and every conversation is truly inspiring. Okay, every opportunity which I get here, it is like changing my life. I see to it that I implement at least one thing. There are many things to take from here, but I plan at least one thing which I take will change my life.
I think one of the most important thing is that even to fail and do the ultimate step, you need to have a guts. And it is better that you don't have that guts and have guts for taking head on the problem what you have and sharing the problem and getting a solution. I think that's one of the important take that I'm taking with me.
He was down to earth, and spoke from his heart, and we could get a lot of insight into his experiences. If one tries to gain all this knowledge on their own, it may take years for them to gather that knowledge. But through the sessions of inspiring conversations, they can get the knowledge within a short time, which people have gathered over so many years. So it's really very inspiring, informing and motivating.
It's a fantastic initiative. Basically, every entrepreneur needs such kind of programs, because when most of us were first generation entrepreneurs, and we have not done our MBAs of business management or MBAs of finance, but such kind of programs gives us the knowledge which MBA students gets at that age. So this is, and when Vitthal Kamath, personality like Vitthal Kamath, come and speak about their own experiences and their journey of business, it really gives us insights what we are doing. And it is not every time possible that you will take experience and you will learn, but it's always good to learn from others' experiences.
This is the first one that I sort of have come to, but I saw the first one that they sort of aired on YouTube. Absolutely fantastic concept, and I think it's going from strength to strength, and hope to come here again all the way from Bolton whenever this is going on, and I'll come and see you all. Mr. Kamath's viewpoints on in the hospitality industry. I'm in the hospitality industry as well. The few pointers that he gave me has inspired me to make my workplace better for my workers and take the ideas that he's come across, and I hope that at some point we can also expand on what we are doing. Absolutely inspiring, and Mr. Kamath was brilliant.
Fantastic, yeah. Absolutely fantastic. Vitthal Kamath was amazing. You know, what we can take from this session, if we can really implement even 10% of the session, it's going to be fantastic. Marvelous. One would be Vitthal Kamath. And second thing is, I always admire two people in my life. One would be Ratan Tata and second would be Narayan Murthy.
Inspiring conversation is really inspiring, number one. It is stress busting, a lot of knowledge we get, and of course very good get together. So everything is good. Yeah, young entrepreneurs, first thing when they start business, they should start business with really good homework, background of business they should have, and then only start business like that.
It was really wonderful the event. My views, my respect for Mr. Kamath, being such a big man. We didn't know him. He entered, he was distributing cards, his visiting cards. So after introduction, and we came to know such a big person is amongst us. So he was so humble, and also he was able to keep the audience joyful. He has shared his experience as it is, not altering it. He's used the words which he likes, and so it was really a good, wonderful conversation.
Program is a very good program for newcomers and young ones, and it is managed by St. Angelo's Computer, and Rajesh sir is my friend since last 18 years, and his principle is to give something back to the society. It is one of the part.
This is a very great experience for me. and great things learn from the Mr. Kamath.
First of all, I would like to thank Rajesh for inviting me. I'm sorry I could not attend the first one because I was out of India. I'm very happy to be here today, inspiring conversations. The great topic which you have chosen and you have called leaders from various walks of life. Particularly impressed with today's program, the way it was conducted, and lots of learnings from Vitthal Kamath. I have noted it down, and I'm going to use these inspirational thoughts which he has mentioned in his day-to-day life, which he has overcome and enjoyed, and the way he is running his life today.